All right, this is my in-depth room tour of my one-bedroom king suite at Elara by Hilton Grand Vacations. This room is pretty magnificent. For those of you that remember, this is the old PH Westgate building. This is the condominium portion of Planet Hollywood, hence the old name PH Westgate. This room was pretty jaw-dropping when I walked in, and that is not a descriptor I expected to use. You have pretty much a full-blown kitchen, stainless steel appliances, you have a full-size refrigerator, full-size freezer, you have a sink, you have a dishwasher, you have a microwave, and you have a range. You also have a coffee maker and a toaster. You even have some knives, which a couple are missing. Come on, people, keep it classy. Don't steal the Vegas knives. I haven't really dug through these drawers much and these cupboards much. I don't think there's much in here, at least right now. But I must say, I really do like the polished wood. That is really classy. You're gonna see polished wood everywhere throughout this room, and it makes things really upscale and feel really elite. TVs everywhere in this room. There are 4 that I counted, and the hidden one is the best one. This is a first for the channel. I'll show you that in a second. Nice, grand, formal dining area. I can't tell if this is quartz or granite. I believe it is quartz, but it's black. It's really cool. It's large. Let's check out these chairs. This is where I'll probably be spending the majority of my time. I like to stay close to the kitchen and also close to the door. You never know when you have to might bolt out to meet someone or to hit a reservation. So this is where I typically like to unfurl and unwind, is right here at the bar or kitchen area. TV up there if you want to stay abreast of news, politics, sports, and weather. The open floor plan is just amazing. It feels so spacious. It makes the room feel even larger than what it is. And believe me, this is a very large room. And then walking into the entertainment room, the TV room, the living room, whatever you want to call it, really the focal part is the view and the TV. The couch really takes advantage of both. This couch is ultra comfortable. I'm typically not a fan of cloth couches or synthetic couches, but this thing is, oh, so comfortable. I could just lay down here for hours, and I probably will. This is my last hotel of the most epic Vegas trip ever. This is hotel number 9, and I could not have chosen a better room or a better hotel to kind of finish up my trip. I'm really run down, I'm tired. And this is just the perfect room to relax, to have a sanctuary, to decompress, to rejuvenate, to hibernate for a couple days. If you're in Vegas for a while and you really want your solitude and you enjoy being in your room, this has got to be one of the best rooms to choose. Even if you want to do some entertaining. I mean, look at the formal dining area and then look at this large couch. The couch does pull out into a sofa sleeper if you want to pack more people in here. But could you just imagine watching a Super Bowl game in here? It seems like it's a pretty perfect setup for that. And you might be looking at this and say, James, I don't know, it's not the perfect setup. The view isn't that nice. And you're right. I didn't really hit the lottery on the view. Sometimes I hit these industrial views. It happens from time to time. But this is not about the view. This is about the entertainment. Check this out. Yep, that's right. So not only do you have a TV up there and a TV right there, you have a projector. That's right, we have a projector in this room. Sorry the light is bad because I turned off the majority of it, but check this out. Okay, so if you do want to watch a Super Bowl game, or if you really just want to shut off the lights and just decompress and unplug from Vegas, is this not the perfect setup, the perfect room, the perfect couch, and the perfect TV to do that? So cool. I have never had a projector in any hotel room, to be frank, and I finally hit it on my last hotel in Vegas. I think that is such a neat setup, and it's a very smart setup because people who want to spend time in the room are going to really appreciate that TV. We are going to get to that bedroom in just a second. It is almost as good as this living room, maybe just as good, but I did want to show you that there are 2 sets of bedding, not just 1 set of bedding. There are 2 sets of bedding, so if you want to have a family or really cram some friends in here and take advantage of this large room, or maybe cut down on cost, or maybe just be social and familial, you could definitely put a lot of people in this room. And then moving on into the master bedroom. Again, this has dark polished wood everywhere in this room. This is really nice. Elongated desk, another TV, floor to ceiling windows. We can check out this desk chair. I mean, I'll probably end up using this thing, so let's see if it's comfortable or not. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. It's brutal. Let's see if this chair is any better. Oh. So this is one of the chairs where you sit down and you sink like a foot. It's like your grandpa's old chair. This is just really, really nice. The ottoman makes it much better, and even better than this chair is the bed. I checked it out already. Oh, this place is just luxurious. I didn't know I was going to call Hilton Elara luxurious, but it's just hitting on every level. This bed is just phenomenal. You have the leather headboard up there. Polished wood goes right to the ceiling. Glass everywhere in here, so it really reflects the light that's coming in from floor to ceiling windows. And then as we transition from the bedroom area, we have a built-in jacuzzi tub, a deep jacuzzi tub. I don't know how many jets are on there. I'm not even going to count them, but there are a lot of jets. Black trim, super classy. Glass mirror up there, so again, just reflects the light. Easy access from the bed to here, so you get there right in the morning or right in the evening, or go right from there to there. It's just a really nice setup. This place has tons of storage. I should point that out. I mean, if you do want to stay here for a week, and I think that's the core demographic, is people who really want to stay here for more than 3 or 4 days. There is storage everywhere. Just storage everywhere. So more storage here, storage there. You do have some connectivity right by the bed. I like that, so you can keep your devices and accessories real close by. Again, this jacuzzi is just amazing. I can't wait to jump on that. There's another closet, nothing special here. You can see my suitcases are in there already. And then we transition into the bathroom, and this bathroom has great feng shui. You can hit it right as you walk in, right as you leave, and then right also from the bedroom. So I like the dual access. Beautiful glass mirror, impregnated ring light around that. I like that. More of the black quartz. Dual vanity, of course. Looks like we are using Crabtree and Evelyn, Verbena and Lavender. Okay, so that just sounds exquisite. That just sounds really regal. Can't wait to try those out. And then I heard something buzzing in here earlier, and I was like, what is that? You have a washing machine. Actually, this is a washer and dryer. I don't know how it is a washer and a dryer combined into one, but that is really cool. This place is really about the creature comforts. TVs in every single room, the projector, the washer and dryer, the really comfortable sofa couch. They really thought of everything. This is the most comfortable I've ever felt walking into any Vegas hotel room. I just really am loving the energy and the vibe thus far. To finish up, we have a dedicated toilet room, separated toilet room with frosted glass. There is a phone in there in case you get inspired. And then finishing up in here, we have the shower. You have an indentation in there to store all of your products. And then you have a footrest as well. So that is it for my in-depth room tour of Elara by Hilton Grand Vacations. I would have never ever thought I would have stepped foot on this property, but I'm so glad I did. This room is just utterly amazing. I'm going to be here for 3 nights. I'm going to check out the pool. There are some restaurants close by. I'm just going to unfurl and unwind. If you want to know more about my stay and what I think of this place after a couple days, check out my experience video. I'll put the link in the description below. Until then, it's time to hit that hot tub, hit the gym, hit the bed, and then hit the pool. I'll see you on the next video.